Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. AP Baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Umantri rangba gajala Meghalaya ukonrat ki sangma uloong ba ki jingjia barit hagi jaka khappud ka jilla ki jujana kapor shakapor kubgi kin 100 but omdai ba ki seng pentrim ki le trailang biang. Wang baman kasngi ka Sorkar kayo jingtip intel nagitnat sentiat Henry ki babun day bandang pensisya bat pej benya syaban penmena. Pala ban ong bakadon gajing regroup Henry ka jingtip syapang gajing ya jingtray jingki kin 100 kawan man kasngi ong chief minister. Syu ula kedo ba gajing ja Bangladesh menta kasnem kalapen kalaru ikrukam trekam hagi benta khappud ka balong gadau ba ka Sorkar ka ban pelet jingmut ba ban pej perkhat ye gajing shngai. Abakran syapang gijing syapentun mat jingya ke Japut bat Asam ong begini kide kimat ki balane lala sanpu ala ne sanpulais nem bat omla syu ban penbet tangda kawe kesngi ka jingdon kam kalong bante la kam ki jingja ban ai jubab kat bagadang ja bat ban wat nenti ban penbet la ong usangma ula ong ru baga Sorkar jung u kadi ka Sorkar ka beningkong ban tray da gajing sungutenat baga jing shisha ban penbet iki jingya ka Japut bat Asam wala omla ban penbet lut habaro ki benta.
Going to be there's always going to be situations that will erupt. It's an emotional issue, and we're always moving and working towards that. As of now, there has been an understanding. There was a bit of concern at that point in time, but the administrations of both the states and the public at large have resolved to some extent the issue. There will always be a continuous issue, because these are things that have been there for the last 52 years, 53 years. We can't expect that tomorrow everything will be just fine just because we just say that let it go, or not let it go in that sense of the land. I mean, let it go means don't fight. So if we just because we say that we don't expect that we'll be able to simply resolve all the issues which have been there for the last 52 years. So incidents and sometimes situations could erupt. It is but natural, keeping in mind the history of how the situations have been. So therefore, but what is important for us is to be able to contain it. What is important for us is to be able to respond to it. What is important for us is to be able to then find a solution to it. So we are working on that, and as of now, situation is under control.
There has been a lull on the talks, high-level talks.
Having elections, so therefore there's been a lull for the last 46 years. So finally we started the talks. So I guess you have to give us that much credit to understand that there are situations we cannot always be in. So whatever lull was there for 46 years, we try to make it better, and we'll continue to work on it. So let's see, it's not so simple, it's complicated. Therefore it's something that we would like to take it at the right right pace and in a right way and engage with people. The point is that for the first time there is a government that is actually working towards this in a very, very earnest and sincere manner. It was never there before. Can we find solutions to everything? Maybe not. It's not so easy. But are we trying? We are, and we'll give it our best, because we want long-lasting peace. And in the meantime, we would like to see that the people living in these areas can live in a peaceful manner. There will always be confrontations, but that's the nature of the problem. But I think at large, we are moving in the right direction, and let's see how things unfold in the future.
Thank you. Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!